I am. And it was completely new. I didn't know how many people were out there to actually throw all those hurl all those abuses at you and get going. And it was new, and I knew I had arrived, and I needed to deal with all these sort of things. And I was very careful from there on about what I have been saying. Clearly, it seemed like something, and I found myself all over the news, not for the great game or the eventual man of the series I got, but immediate news was all about this fan lashing out at me, giving an excuse on Twitter or whatever it is. So that's it on Reminisce with Ash for today. I hope you enjoyed this one, and like I promised, I will take a few questions if any of you have any questions. And if you're going to make fun of me, I'm not going to clearly respond. So make sure questions are like worthy. Myself, okay. So I understand what you're saying. Bowling, small tips on bowl carom ball. Okay, it's very simple. You have to grip the ball like you play carom with your middle finger and try and roll it out from the front. That's how you bowl a carom ball. Thanks, I hope you enjoyed it, and hope the lockdown in the UK is treating you well. Hopefully, we can get out of this very well. Toughest batsman to bowl to in T20. I'll always rate MS Dhoni to be one of the greatest T20 batsmen, especially towards the end. But I just bowled a few innings at him and managed to be pretty decent, so I take a lot of pride in that. Favorite TN city other than Chennai? I have to say Dindigul because I play for Dindigul Dragons in the TNPL. But truth be told, I like Coimbatore as well. Working on any new type of ball. As of now, I'm just working on whatever bowling I can do inside the house. There's not much I can do. Any superstitions I follow before the match, I do my rigorous preparations, and not quite on for any particular superstitions. I've tried to work heavily on not having one because I think it can consume you over a period of time. My height is 6'2", sir. I don't know what your name is. Speak Hindi, sir. Make impact on people. Oh, okay. क्यों सर? इंग्लिश में इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा या तमिल में भी नहीं होगा क्या? ठीक है, हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे. और अगर किसी को मेरा हिंदी सुन के हंसना है तो कर लो, मैं कभी कभी बात करूंगा हिंदी में भी. தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? ஓகே, என்ன பேசணும், என்ன கேள்வி எதுவுமே இல்லையே. Okay, do you want to talk about the trick ball? Which trick ball? Trying for T20 World Cup, definitely I would like to try and win a World Cup for India, and if it's a T20 World Cup, nothing like it. I'd love to do so. நான் தமிழ்ல பேசி பார்த்ததே இல்லையாப்பா. சரி, ஓகே, ரைட், தமிழ்ல பேசிட்டேன். Tips for flipper ball. Sir, I haven't bowled a flipper. The best flipper that one can bowl is bowled by Shane Warne. He'd be better suited. The TNPL ball. Okay. Okay, I'm not getting a lot of great questions. Some of you are making fun of me. Some people that I know are also making fun of me. Okay, right. Thank you, Coach Arav. Very impressed. I got your message. फेवरेट बैट्समैन बताओ ऑस्ट्रेलिया से. ठीक है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से एक्चुअली ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम के साथ खेलना बहुत मुश्किल है. वो बहुत कॉम्पिटिटिव टीम है. मेरा सबसे फेवरेट बैट्समैन ऑस्ट्रेलिया का जब खेलना शुरू किया वो स्टीवन स्मिथ ही होगा. वेरी डिफिकल्ट बैट्समैन टू बोल. क्विक फीट, क्विक हैंड्स, लवली बैट्समैन. And obviously his record speaks for himself. And if there are no more questions, thank you sir, thank you Arvind sir, very proud. Time सर, मैंने हैट्रिक लिया ही नहीं अभी तक इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में. अगर हैट्रिक लेंगे तो आपको डेडिकेट करूंगा 100%. Marco, yes, Marco is a favorite cricketer, but from the past I've not played with him. And today is the birthday of one of my favorite coaches and my friends from the childhood days. He works with me now as a coach, CS Santosh. Many more happy returns of the day to you. I hope you're watching the live. If not, please take the message to him. Trying to turn into leggy. No, why should I try and turn into a leggy? I'd like to bowl as many balls as possible. What else? What about MSD? MSD, one of the greatest captains that India has ever seen, and one of the greatest captains IPL has ever seen. Okay. मुझे देख के जॉस बटलर का याद आता है. ठीक है, बढ़िया. Do you get a chance to open? कहाँ सर, बैटिंग में या बॉलिंग में? बॉलिंग में हमेशा डाल देता हूँ ओपनिंग नया बॉल में. जॉस बटलर रिमेंबर है ना? ऑफ कोर्स, क्यों नहीं, कैसे भूल सकता हूँ. विराट Okay, I've taken a lot of questions, guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's edition of Reminisce with Ash. And we will continue to do these episodes and take questions towards the end. Hope you enjoyed today's edition. I will definitely see you tomorrow. With